Everyone, welcome back to Test Home, and for today's vlog we are going to cook a creamy leche flan. And for the ingredients we have 8 egg yolks. So these are jumbo egg yolks. So yes, and then we are going to use one evap milk around 385 ml. The condensed one is 397 grams, and for the vanilla we are going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a quarter cup of white sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of lemon rind, that is lemon rind guys, and we will use 1 teaspoon freshly squeezed juice from lemon, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. So guys, this is now our molding pan. We will put our 1/4 cup of white sugar para mag-caramelize tayo guys. Okay? So now guys, we are going to start the caramelizations. So in this process, you should be very careful and see to it that you have a pair of tongs, and then you are going to move side by side guys, and then sometimes left up. So do not permanently put your molding pan to the fire guys, kasi the sugar is very easy to burnt. So now just like that, and then make it sure that all the sugar will be caramelized. Okay, and make it sure that the bottom of the pan will be covered with the caramelized sugar. Yeah, like that. Okay, so sit aside guys, then we will proceed now. So we're going to put water to our steamer pan. So we are going to start boiling while we will mix our entire ingredients. Okay, so ito na siya guys. We are going to start now. We will put our lemon zest or lemon rind. Then we are going to add our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now guys, we are going to add now our condensed milk. Okay, 1 condensed milk. I-add natin lahat ang ating 1 condensed milk guys, and then yes, that's very good. Next we will add our evap, 1 can of evap. Then after that we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, or a quarter teaspoon of salt. Okay, that's it, quarter teaspoon of salt. Now guys, we are going to add our freshly squeezed lemon juice, that is 1/2 or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, nag-add tayo ng freshly squeezed lemon juice. So now guys, it is now time to mix them well. But in this process, you should be very careful in mixing. So make it slowly until all the ingredients incorporated. Okay? Kasi pag malakas mo siyang i-mix, mag-bubble siya. So to avoid more bubbles, mix it slowly, gently, and yes. After mixing, then use strainer. So yes, that's how you mix it, slowly until you arrive until all the ingredients will be incorporated. Yes. As you can see, guys, so our mixture is already okay and it is incorporated now. So we are going to proceed to straining our mixtures, of course. Okay. Second, guys. So ito. You might be confusing why I strain them 3 times, guys. The purpose of straining the mixtures 3 times so we can arrive a smooth texture, okay? Because this is custard cake or this is leche flan. So a leche flan, it should be creamy, so we will avoid bubbles. That is why that's the second straining. Now the final one is we will put directly to the molding pan. Okay, so finally we are going to strain the mixtures for the third time around. So we are now straining directly to our molding pan with caramel sugar or with the caramelized sugar. So yes, so these are all our mixtures. So we are going to cover a foil before steaming. Since our molding pan has a lid, so I just put one cover of foil. Then so now we are going to put the lid and then put this mixture to the steamer rack. Then we will proceed now. So in this process, guys, our water is already boiling, so we are going to turn low heat our stove. So we will steam this, guys, for 1 hour only, okay? And we will check this later. Okay. So guys, it is now time to turn off our stove, guys, because it's already 1 hour. So nag-alarm tayo, guys, ha, para hindi siya ma-overcook. Now, guys, we are going to cool down our steamer rack. I'm gonna let it cool down here, guys, for 1 to 2 hours or 1 hour bago natin ilagay sa ating fridge. Okay? So, yun, hindi ko pa siya binuksan, guys. This is exactly 1 hour. For this one mixtures, guys, kasi this is one whole mixtures sa ginawa natin. So, this is exactly 1 hour cooking with a low heat fire or stove. And then, yes, i-cool down lang natin siya, guys, bago natin siya, or if you want to be sure that this is cooked, you are going to open and use toothpick, guys, okay? So, guys, para makita ninyo, i-check natin, guys, ha? Tingnan nyo, guys. Tapos, guys, you have this stick. So, clear siya. That means, luto na siya, guys. No? Clear. Luto na. So, we will cool this down, guys. Then, we are going to put this to our serving bowl or plate. Tapos, ilagay natin sa fridge. So, yun siya, guys, ha? So, ilagay natin muna. Ano siya. Thank you for watching, everyone, and if you haven't subscribed yet to this home, please do subscribe, guys. Hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. Thank you for watching and bye-bye! This is our final, our creamy
Leche Flan.